Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another monthly roundup. We are looking at my favorites and empties for the month of October. I'm a week late, but there's been other videos that I wanted to put out. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm trying to make a little bit more content. I am also so much just in general better in health and spirit, so I'm happy to be back at filming. Actually, let's start with that. October was a special month for me because, or for us, but because we shared our news with you guys of the pregnancy, and I loved reading all of your messages and comments on my Get Ready With Me video where I discuss all of the journey that it took us to get to this point. And yeah, it just gave me so much joy and happiness. So thank you so much for all your kind words. It's just wonderful to be supported also by this online community that, yeah, my husband doesn't understand, but I'm like, I have to share with my people. I have to share it with my people. So anyways, thank you so much for that love. And yeah, on that side, I'm well. I am halfway through, just over halfway, and all is good. Let me show you. Belly is actually growing. And everything is going fine. So that said, let's move on a little bit to products. This month I haven't worn a ton of makeup, and what I did wear was very neutral. As you can see also today, I was running errands, buying paint for the baby room, which, oh my god. But just running errands, and I just go very, yeah, neutral. And even though Halloween was there, I didn't really feel in the creating too much colorful looks lately. So what I did instead was, which you just saw in a video, create my own fall palette with my singles. That, to me, this is my neutrals. It's greens, it's warm browns, there's nice transition shade, some nice textures in there. This is my neutral palette. I showed you all of the swatches and all of the shades in my last video. You can go see it there, but this is what I've been using most of the time. Today instead I used Rust from Melt Cosmetics because the new Nabla palette is out, and it feels similar to Rust, so I'm trying to use that and see if I want to buy it or not. Probably yes, because it's Nabla and I love Nabla. So that will probably be a discussion for a wishlist video, which I think I'm gonna do as well, because Black Friday is coming up. I'd like to have go into it with a strict wish list. A few bits and pieces I already got because Beauty Bay was doing a 20% off sale again. So I'll discuss that in a haul then, the separate video. Anyways, on things I've been loving, neutral makeup, and quite the usual things. So I am actually really liking the close-up foundation from Nabla. I always mix it in with my Arborian Bamboo Matte. This combo is also in my Project Pan, but I'm just really liking these two together. They hold on so well on my skin. And when I'm not wearing foundation, like today, I have my Ginseng Tinted Moisturizer on. That's kind of... I have a concealer favorite, but I knew it was a favorite already before, but I'm using it again, so that's really good. I'm noticing it's really good. Again, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just liking it a lot. This shade here is Cannelle. It's a touch light for me, I feel. The undertone is perfect, but it's a touch light. But I don't think there's a tone darker that is not custard for peach undertones. So I think maybe macadamia is the next up, but I'm afraid that is too dark. Anyways, loving that one. And I think for base, I'm just actually rotating and noticing how I love, like, all of my bronzers that I have, all of my blushes. I'm rotating things in and out just because to use them up, or just to use them because I have them, and I'm liking everything I have, which is such a great feeling. I feel like I have a lot, but I love everything, which is great because then I don't have this necessity to actually go and declutter or get rid of stuff because I don't like it. I have very few items that I don't like in my collection, and I will get to decluttering and selling them or gifting them eventually, but things are going well. I'm enjoying my collection a lot. Not doing a lot of makeup, I'm focusing more on skincare as usual, and one new to me combo that I've been using in the evening is the Pixi Glow Tonic. I've used it in the past, I've finished multiples. I refilled this little bottle from the big half liter that they send with Christmas that they sent in PR with Christmas last year, and it's the size that fits in my bathroom cabinet, so that's what I'm using. And I first applied that on a clean face with a cotton swab. Then I spritz the Pixi Glow Mist, which they also sent quite some time ago. And I was always a little bit about it because it's a dual phase, you can see. There's an oily phase on top of the watery phase. And having oily skin, I never really use this as a morning spritz, whereas I really, really love their vitamin C, what is it called? The orange morning one. It's really, really nice for in the morning, spritzing, hydrating, antioxidants, waking up. The smell is awesome. This one I always had a little bit of a hard time fitting in my routine, but now I really like it. I feel like it gives, with the glycolic acid of the Glow Tonic and this one here, which has propolis and argan oil, it's a nourishing mist, and I feel like in the evening it really does a good job to giving a first layer of moisture and nourishment to my skin. Then I alternate my serums. I've been loving my Good Molecules discoloration treatment serum, but I've talked about that with you before. And what I really noticed is making a difference is the Paula's Choice Clinical Retinol and 2% Bakuchiol. This is the retinol that I kept using even through pregnancy because it's a topical retinol, non-prescription, and it's a lower percentage than the clinical retinol from Paula's Choice. That one is 1%, and this one is a 0.3%, and the Bakuchiol has a supporting, let's say, role to that and a similar effect, some research says. But what I've been really liking, I use this twice a week or every other day, so 2 or 3 times a week, depends on how I feel. And I really like the next day my skin feels smoother. I exfoliate every day, but it doesn't matter. My skin still accumulates that skin cells, and once I use this, I feel really that it's plumper, it's brighter. I like it. I'm really enjoying it, and it is quite I think, safe for me to use. It's a choice that you make. Of course, do not use prescription retinols in pregnancy. That is a big no-no. But my choice has been to reduce to a minimum and keep using the one that is the lowest percentage. But I really like it, and I used to use retinols every single evening. Now I do every other day or so, or when I remember, and yeah, I really like this one. It also has peptides and vitamin C as a supporting formula. So much talk about this. One item I've been changing my mind about, and I am very happy that I am changing my mind about, is the Nabla Skin Bronzing in Dune. I mentioned when I got this in my video, trying it and in later, let's say, updates and reviews of it, I was saying how this shade isn't my perfect shade. And I have to say that maybe it's the skin tone now, maybe it's the lighting now, I don't know. I like it. It's working again for me. Not what I'm wearing now, but it's actually, I'm getting used out of it and enjoying it more, which I'm very happy about, because I want to love the color. I love the formula and I want to love the color, and I wouldn't go for the lighter or darker of these because level wise it's good. It's just the tone was slightly off. So right now it's working for me. I don't understand why. I thought it would work better when I am self-tanning, but lately I am not because I'm lazy and there's more surface area. I don't want to self-tan more surface area. No, I'm joking, but I'm just being a bit lazy and low maintenance. So I don't know. It's working for me right now. I'm enjoying it. And that was a little bit the update on makeup and skincare things that I've been loving this month. Now for Empties. The only exciting thing is that I finished my mini NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. Liked it. I find that the shade of this one is the right depth for me. So it's for medium skin tones. It's their medium shade. I think it's medium 2. No, medium 1, sorry. This is medium 1 Custard. Where I was talking about Canal being a little bit too light. This is the right depth, but this is for yellow undertones, whereas Canal is for peach undertones, and peach undertones is what I have, and I really see how it fits me better. So I wish they did a medium for peach undertones, but I haven't seen it on the website. I'm gonna look closer again with Black Friday coming. Maybe macadamia would be my shade, but I think that's, but I'm not sure if that's medium to deep, and that would be definitely too dark. I'm gonna check it out, but I finished this one, yay. Really enjoyed it. And then the other 2 things I finished are boring bath things. I finished a Bathhouse Mojito Cocktail Bath Soak. Smelled like lemons, was fantastic. It was just a liquid that gave bubbles. A lot of, it was more of a bubble bath than anything else. Loved it. I got it at TJ Maxx a lifetime ago, and I finally finished it because I only take baths in the winter, and otherwise I'm in the shower most of the time. And then the other thing we finished, both of us, is the Body Shop Pink Grapefruit Hand Wash. This is my favorite scent from the Body Shop, and especially in summer, I really love it. I have I finished the big tub of the body wash. I finished the cream, the body lotion multiple times, and I'm going through another one. And I have another one of these already in the bathroom. But yeah, I finished it. Not a lot of empties this month, because last month I finished my whole skincare routine, it felt like, or a few months ago I finished my whole skincare routine. So now I'm just going through slowly, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah, I think that is all for my update this month. It's not a very long one, but I feel like I'm leaving the house less and less, so I'm doing my makeup less and less. And so far, up to this month, I had bought less as well, so there were less updates to give on new products. Now this month, I bought a lot. Mainly, I don't know why, it's a feeling. We say in Italian, I have holy hands with holes. I have hands with holes because everything I hold, it just trickles through, they say. That when you hold money, it trickles through. And I feel like buying a lot of things. And that has included a lot of single shadows, which I'm super excited about. A few bits from Beauty Bay, as I mentioned. I did get the Baby Yoda palette from Colourpop, which I'm still waiting on. And I'm preparing for a Sephora haul for Black Friday in Italy, and then having it shipped to me via my friend Julia. And yeah, just, I don't know. Overall, joy for buying makeup, joy when I use makeup, a little bit lazy to do so on a daily basis because, yeah, if I stay home, I kind of have a hard time justifying waking up half an hour earlier. So I rather sleep in, train, and then work than wake up early, train, and then do my or shower, do my makeup, and then work. Nowadays, sleep I find is quite important and not so easy, or not so easy. It's just not uninterrupted. I have to wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom every single night, and it will only get worse, they say. So I'm prioritizing sleep rather than makeup right now. I think it's okay, but I'm really enjoying when I do wear it. Let me know how your month of October has been, how you're feeling. I know that everybody's back in lockdown and it's really sad, and it's been tense few days with elections and everything, and I'm just sitting here to film makes me calm and happy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to hang out more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!